This first time we're doing it is always mirrored instruction. My left hand, my right hand for you. Ready? To learn. Kyotsuke. Ready? Fukyu Dai San. Yo. Dai San. Low block. Left hand. Okay. Left leg. 1. Stay right here. We're going to punch an inside block. We're going to continue this, okay? Going forward, punching an inside blocking. No more low blocking. Ready? We're going to do that 3 times. 1, step forward, opposite hand, opposite foot. 2, 3. We're going to turn. This time is your first time using your front leg to turn. We're going to do it just like how you did in Fukyu Dai Ni and slide it across this way. We're going to take this punching hand and put it on top right here for now to get ready for chamber, okay? If you're more versed, you can also put your hand out getting ready for action-reaction. Turn back behind you. Low block, punch, inside block. We're going to do this same move again, okay? With opposite hand. So low block, same hand. Use the opposite hand to punch. And scoop. Short scoop. Do that 3 times again, just like how you did going this way. 1. Step, opposite hand, opposite foot. 2, 3. We're going to turn again, okay? Just the same way, using your front leg. Hand in front, chambers, turn, low block. We're going to do different moves, okay? Going forward and backwards. We're going to go outside block, high block. So you're going to go outside block, high block, using the opposite hand. Let's walk forward doing that. 1. Outside block, high block. 2, always zenkutsu. 3, we're going to turn low block again, using this hand that's high, chamber it, slide your foot across. Use that opposite hand to outside block, high block, and go forward 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Turn just the same way, okay? Using your front leg, chamber the same. Something different, okay? Outside block, backhand block. The backhand block is a new block. Outside block, use the same hand to come back, using the back of the hand to block. Just push it across, okay? Like a parry or like a paw, okay? Boom, boom, keeping your fist nice and tight. 1, we're going to front kick with our back leg going forward, okay? And then we're going to land, do it outside block, backhand with the opposite hand. Let's use our back leg to front kick. 1, front stance, outside block, backhand. 2, 3. Turn, just like how you did before. Outside block, backhand. Do it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. We're going to turn. No different. Front leg. Outside block. Par. Step forward. Punch. Yo. Yo. Kyotsuke. Ready? Fukyu Dai San. Yo. Let's do that. Follow along. Ready? Step by step. Normal hand again. This is my left hand. Kyotsuke. Ready? Fukyu Dai San. Yo. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn. 1, 2, 3. Turn. Oh, excuse me. Outside block, high block. 1, 2, 3. Turn. 3. Turn. Go. Hyo. Yoi. Yosuke. Break. Fukyu Dai San. Yoi. Left side. Combination of steps. Ready? Combining steps. Yosuke. Break. Fukyu Dai San. Yo. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn. 1, 2, 3. 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 Turn. 1. Hyo. Yo. Fukyu Dai San. No count. Fukyu Dai San. Hyo. Fukyu Dai San.